So, commemorating behalf of Zipporah Saif from Israel, your madam, to commemorate her qualities, commemorate her kindness, commemorate her compassion. So you conducted a great meritorious deed according to your tradition. Dana is simply giving, generosity. So we can offer anything to anyone. Normally, in our people think dana is just offering food. Not just offering food, but also offering whatever it is, we call it dana. Literal meaning is giving. So, in the teachings of the Buddha, to gain enlightenment, Buddha fulfilled as a bodhisattva, firstly dana paramita, perfection of dana. He started with dana. He fulfilled it in three ways: dana paramita, dana upaparamita, dana paramatta paramita. Dana paramita means giving, offering material things which possesses someone else. For example, food, clothing, money, houses, these things, offering material things. Dana upaparamita means contributing or donating our organs of the physical body. That means in modern days, people offer, donate blood, lungs, hearts, kidneys, such kind of organs in body. It is much more difficult than offering material things. It is higher than the first one. The highest one is dana paramatta paramita, that is called highest sense, which means if we can dedicate, contribute our life in order to protect or in order to safeguard one's life, to fulfill, to attain noble determination, to attain Buddhahood, like that. So, totally contributing, totally offering, totally giving away of our life towards safeguard of others. So it is very difficult. It is the highest form of the dana. So this is how dana was fulfilled by the Buddha, by the Bodhisattva, to gain enlightenment. So in this morning, you offered kind of dana, we call it amisa dana. There are three forms of dana in the teachings of the Buddha: amisa dana, abheya dana, and dharma dana. Amisa dana means offering material things, as I said earlier. Abheya dana means protecting or safeguard one's life. Or if someone is in suffering, so we, for example, you are also doing such a thing. So when we offer these delicious meals to Mahasangha, after having themselves this delicious food, you will be able to happy inside your heart. So when you are happy, your blood becomes fresh. Your blood becomes fresh. Then what happens? Your longevity, your health, your complexion, all together will increase because of the pure thoughts of your heart. So in a practical way, when we consider the dana is the highest among all of these meritorious actions, because this is a very practical example taught in the teachings of the Buddha.